Hey Russell fam, in today's video I am going to show you some fun fall activities that you can do with your kids. Be back in just a second. Hi, my name is Becky and I am a homeschooling mom of two, and I have been homeschooling since 2012. And we are always looking for fun fall activities to do as a family. So in this video, you're going to see some of those. right, if you are looking for another fun fall activity or craft you can do with your kids, what you do, well, I guess basically you take a orange plastic pumpkin, you cut the bottom out of it and make it fit your light fixture, and there you go. You have a fun decoration for your front porch for Halloween. Okay, I did the bubbling boo bombs. Thanks to Alicia at Everyday I'm Mothering, we did that video. But then I had a question down in the comments from Leilani over at Living with Eve. She was asking if apple cider vinegar and white vinegar made a difference, because Alicia did white vinegar and I didn't have white vinegar, so I said I'll just try it with apple cider vinegar. So we did an experiment. So here you go. I hope this video has given you some fun fall activity ideas to do with your kids. As always, remember to be kind, be careful, be considerate, and have a great day. Bye.